Welcome. In this video I will show you how to transfer data from old Apple Watch to Apple Watch SE 3. In order to do so, you're gonna need to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone and choose some specific options during the setup or the pairing process. And in order to pair your iPhone with Apple Watch, you have to lock it, then unlock it, bring your Apple Watch close to your iPhone. And once you unlock your iPhone, you should see a notification like this. And if you see this notification, just click continue, then you will begin the pairing process. But if you don't see it, don't worry. Go to your app library and search for watch application, then open it, and then select start pairing. After that, you're gonna need to select who you want to set up your Apple Watch for, either for yourself or for a family member. I'm gonna select myself, and then you're gonna need to scan your watch's watch face with your iPhone's camera. Hold it still for a while. Okay, and once the Apple Watch is paired, you have to choose restore from backup so that you import the old Apple Watch's settings and apps to this Apple Watch. Restore from backup, and then select a backup from which you want to restore this Apple Watch. In my case, I'm gonna select the latest one and then continue. Then wait for a moment until devices are connecting. Next, you're gonna have to read and agree to terms and conditions to continue. If you want to set up a passcode, tap create a passcode and then provide a new passcode on your Apple Watch and confirm it afterwards by re-entering it. If you don't want to create a passcode right now, you can also always do it later in settings, which I'm also gonna do. So I'm gonna select don't add passcode, then confirm, then wait for another moment, and on the following screen we have to adjust the text size. And to do that, you have to move the slider to the left to decrease the text size and to the right to increase it. To make the text bolder, switch the toggle to the right. Then tap continue once you're happy with the result. Okay. Then personalize fitness and health by providing the correct information about yourself, like your date of birth, your sex, your height, your weight. In order to change this information, you just have to select the respective fields and provide the correct values into this field. Then tap done to confirm, and once you're ready, tap continue once again, and then choose how you want to use one-handed gestures on Apple Watch, either using wrist flick, which looks like this, or double tap with your fingers, which looks like this. So select what suits you most, and then select continue to proceed. And then you just have to wait until your Apple Watch is synced with your iPhone. Usually it takes a couple of minutes, so for now just wait. And at this point your Apple Watch is successfully set up from the backup. Then you can already start using it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.